Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and it is Mini Monday and Box Challenge Day. So I had two Gnome challenge box challenges that I was doing from Millennial Saver, still doing those. And then I was doing I always forget the name of it. I call it Frugal Forest, Enchanted Fairies of the Frugal Forest, or something like that, by Financial Dreams with Christine. And I apologize that I don't know the name, but I love it. So that's 3 box challenges. So then I decided to add the one that I got from Noralis Budgets. I love it. It's just adorable, so I had to incorporate that. And then Kay from Hey Kay Budgets had to come out with a weight loss one. I love it. I just watched her video as I was cutting out everything. So I was frantically cutting out the Hello Kitty one and the weight loss one like minutes up to like a few minutes ago. So I am ready to get started. I don't know if I have enough money. I do have a little bit of money off to the side, so I can dive into that if need be. And I am just excited to get started because we're going to start with our little mini Mondays. We have our cow binder. We have 6 challenges that we don't know what they are. And I am just going to roll a 3-sided die. Well, it's a 6-sided die, but 1, 2, 3, 2 times. And then put that many bills in front of each one. So everything's going to get something. I don't know if we finished any last week, so let's see if we finish any this week. And I'm excited to see what we do here and to get into those box challenges. So quick note, I know I usually do a combo video with Mini Monday and Tiny Tuesday. Do you want me to bring the tinies back and do my old type video? Or would you rather just see minis? Or would you rather just see boxes? Just kind of trying to get the vibe, the feedback. So anything you have to say on that, I would really appreciate. Let's get into it. 1. I hope everyone is doing okay. This is my Monday video. I am filming Sunday night. And okay, everything's getting 1. Well, at least they're getting something, right? 3. And it was a busy weekend. Got a lot of kind of stuff cleaned up around the office. Got most of Christmas taken down. I have a couple boxes that I need to fill up and take out to the shed. And then, what else? Just, yeah, busy. Trying to get caught up on videos. I don't know if that day's ever actually going to happen. So I think I'm just trying to, whatever day I'm able to catch up with whoever's video, I'm just trying to do the most current video. I don't know, I just feel really bad because I miss you guys. I miss all your videos. I miss knowing all the things. So I hope everyone's doing well and that the new year is treating you fair or better. I am anxiously awaiting my paycheck next week because I've changed some deductions. I've increased my FSA, which is flexible spending account. So I, have some medications that I would like to do and have, and it's just pricey. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to do all that. So I don't know what my paycheck's going to be. Long story short, I don't know what my paycheck's going to be. And Babe and I are going over our budgets because he has his budget that I basically help him do. He's well on board. And then I have my own budget, and then we have a budget together. So it's quite a few budgets, but I love budgets, so I don't mind. Plus, we talk through it together all the time, so it's a great communication to keep that up because I think finances are such a tricky thing if you're not communicating. So 1 and 2, I guess. All right, so that's done. So now I'm going to move this guy over here. This guy over here. This cute little cow charm I got from Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. Isn't it adorable? Okay. So I have these little extra $25 bundles. We'll go over that if we need them for those binders. All right, so there's our money for all of the challenges 1 through 6. So now I'm going to go through each one and see what we got. Oh, this cute one from Becca Budget 777, Friends Forever. The cute little s'mores. Oh, I should probably count first, huh? All right, so in the ones, and they're each worth $2. So in the one spot, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we can cross off 10 individual ones or 5 bunches. There we go. So altogether, this is going to save us 40. Altogether, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And it already has one behind, so it's ready to go. So I'm just going to put the money up front. That's how I know it's ready to go back in the binder. And I like to put them back in different spots. So up next, we have another Becca Budget 777. And each box is $1. This will save us $25. Oh, I like to say where this is going. Landscaper. Okay. This one is going to volunteer dues, which is due soon. All right, so in number 2 spot, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one also got 10. All right, so this one looks like we have 6 left, so this should be 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we have 2 there, so that can just go up front, ready to go in. All right, in the number 3 spot, we have TTD. So the traditional dollar. This is going to save us $48. So this is kind of a big one. So the TVs are $2 and the remotes are $1. So let's see what we got in the 4 spot, or 3 spot, I should say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's $8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and another remote. So we'll do a remote. All right, we're halfway through the TVs. So let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. 30 more to go. And I think this was going to appliances, and that is correct. Okay, so far we haven't finished any. We have 3 more to go. Take your bets. All right. Dear Santa, I'm too cute for the naughty list. I made all the little circle smiley faces. They're $1 each. This is from Budget with Tiffany 26. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We needed 9. Perfect. So I'm going to take 2 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's finish our smiley faces. Let's do it in this color. He looks evil. Okay, so Dear Santa, I'm too cute for the naughty list is $20 going to medical. New setup, not used to it. Okay, I'm going to set you there. Ooh, we have this super cute one from Gem City Budgets. Look at how pretty that is. So I made each one $1, and we have $2 that we get to put towards it. I think this is too pretty to do a smiley face. So I don't know what to do, but I'll just make some art. That's also not pretty, but that's okay. So we need a second one for this. Oh, we'll do that at the end. So that goes up front. All right, in the number 5 spot, ooh, we only needed 3. This is from Printable by Woods. So we needed 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pretty even. So $11 will go into the next one. So let's see. All right, this is $20 going to taxes. Let's double check the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20 going to taxes. Not Texas, but taxes. And that was Printable by Woods. This was Budget with Tiffany 26. All right, so up next, we have coming in, we have Save with Judy. Each cookie is $1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do a row and a half. I don't know what I thought that was going to look like, but that's not what it was. It was like, nailed it. This is what it shouldn't look like. Okay, so this one's going to go to Landscaper. We filled in our $8. We need a second one, so I'm going to put the challenge up front. And then last but not least, for number 6, let's see what we got when we were doing cozy season. Going to taxes. So we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are adding 9. Okay, going to taxes. So we should have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we do. And we have 2 challenges, so the money can go up front. All right, so we just need, what do we need? 3? Oh, that one's no correct. Okay. All right. So I want to do this one I just got from Plan Budget with Jan on Etsy and Plan and Budget with Jan on YouTube. I'll have her linked below. This was in my order that I got, and I just thought that was just too cute not to use. So I might, when we get to it, I might make those all $2, but it's going to go to clothes. So I am just going to do that and put it with this one from T at Gem City. And let's put that one, let's put this one in the number 1 spot. Okay, up next, the one with Save with Judy needed one. Let's see what we got. We have another one from Gem City Budgets. I will put this on top. And I'll make sure all of that's filled out before next time. So that was in the 4 or 5 spot, so we'll put it in the 2 spot. All right, and then everything else is good to go. So let's put 6 in the 3 spot. 1 in the 4 spot, 2 in the 5, and 3 in the 6. All right. Oh, it stayed. That's impressive. So the cow binder I got from Sean over at A to Z Budgets. I'll have her linked below. And we did save, let's see, we saved $40 today from these 2 challenges. One was going to taxes, and the other one is going to somewhere called medical. I was trying to check faster and it didn't work. Okay, so we have those. So I will stuff these in next Sunday's video when I do my wallet my wallet reset, because I'm going to see how that goes. That way at the end of the month I only have stuff that will go toward debt or the randomizer. All the ones that have been assigned will just go straight into the binder. So I am going to scoot those back here, and let's see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and until next time, take care. Bye.